Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Using a Torx T20 screwdriver, unscrew the two holding screws. Pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally in line with the car. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. Remove the light bulb support board by separating the tabs on the holding studs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. Reconnect the electric connector. The light is held in place by plastic studs encased directly into the car body. Reposition the light in its housing, pushing on it but being careful not to force too much. Then screw the two retaining screws back in. To replace the bulbs located on the tailgate, unclip the plastic cover. Identify the plastic wig nut which holds the lights. Unscrew it, turning the wig nut anti-clockwise. Then remove the lights. To remove the side light bulb, take hold of the plastic cap and make a quarter turn to the left. Remove the bulb from the connector by pulling on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb into the base. Then insert everything into the light and turn it one quarter turn to the right. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the plastic wig nut back in and fix it by hand. Replace the cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.